I'm out here in Texoma, and obviously I have to swing by and hit up these trucks right here. And you guys might know them as FarmTruckRacingTexas. I've got the guy right here. He's the guy that built my truck, or that I bought from him. It was like his own. It was your shop truck, right? Okay. Yeah. Who are you talking to here, my man?
Dennis, FarmTruckRacingTexas.
Now, what's your specialty? You build, it looks like anything for a truck, but
our specialty is everything's one-off. So we don't care. Crown Vic swap, EcoBoost swap, Coyote swap, Godzilla swap.
You did a Hemi.
Yeah,
that was a special request, though.
Special request. We have now accomplished a Hellcat Redeye swap.
Ooh,
so we are
awesome.
pretty much one-off turnkey. We don't we brought 14 trucks here today, and no two are the same. Even the one customer owns two, and they're not the same.
Different, yeah. Well, hey, will you show us a few of your trucks?
Yeah, certainly.
Okay, you got time?
Yeah.
Okay, where do we start?
Here's one right here.
All right.
So this is a 63 sitting on a Crown Vic chassis. We utilized all the suspension, all the motor, all the wiring, just because the guy wanted a cruiser.
Yeah.
So we
that's cool. It has the same thing that you put on
right.
the truck.
Yes, the anti-flip up and hit your roof hinge kit.
Yeah.
That's
a good way to put it, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
That hood stays right where it's at.
Stays right where it is.
It doesn't sit there and do anything.
No.
So, on the engine, I'm guessing 2-valve, 4.6?
Just a 2-valve, 4.6.
Okay.
We use retired cop cars, or we find a little grandma car with low miles.
Yeah,
marquee. I like your
low
truck.
Miles, I love it.
And they just run forever. Great cruisers, great on fuel mileage. They'll cruise 80, 90 miles down the freeway if you want.
Yeah.
He wanted to dress up his interior, so we got heated seats in this one, AC, new carpet. He wanted it a little blinged out.
That's cool. That's awesome.
Just an awesome little cruising truck.
I love it. What's next? So you got a bunch here, don't you?
Yeah, so this is a 78 sitting on a 2016 F150 full chassis, 4-wheel drive, EcoBoost. We just wanted all the modern drivability, but the classic looks.
What's funny is the wheels are the only giveaway that it's sitting on anything else, you know?
Yeah. But they were good wheels and tires. I mean, we still...
Why change it?
We work with a budget at Farm Truck Racing.
Yeah, you guys do both, really.
Yeah.
You guys can do just, balls to the wall, or you guys can do, hey, I've got this, and this, can you help me out?
Yeah. So we started on the interior on this because these are the things that you don't want to change later.
And this is the same truck? The same truck or similar?
So these are actually 2018 Mustang seats.
Okay.
We got the Dakota digital dash. I didn't call them, and the console was out of the truck, so we could utilize the console shifter.
That's cool.
And then the door panels and stuff we left classic stock. But
that's cool.
Just wanted to do the interior nice.
What's next?
This is our new shop truck. We sold our shop truck.
Tonka?
Yeah. Sold Tonka, so 02 F1 or F250, I guess, 4-wheel drive. I like the 7.3. I'm partial to it.
Well,
not going to win
right?
Yeah, we're not going to win a drag race, but it'll tow your house.
Yeah, it's definitely not a 2-wire system.
Yeah, we couldn't leave it alone stock, so we ride-a-line.
Hey, is that ride-a-line? Yeah.
Inside and out. But four bucket seats in it, dual consoles.
That's nice.
Blacked out the interior.
A bench in the back, right? So
bench in front, bench in the back.
Okay.
So Lariat made a console, so we scrounged up two Lariat consoles and put buckets in it.
That's nice. What is this one of yours?
Yep, this one we just finished up. This is our
I know
debut.
which one this one is. Yeah.
Probably heard this guy. He's a little boisterous on the internet.
Steve Howell.
Steve Howell.
That's awesome.
So he wanted to do something different.
Every truck has been different since you've shown it. Now, what's different about this one?
Pretty much the Redeye Hellcat Hemi kind of throws it off. 6-speed, which isn't real common.
Okay.
Manual transmission. Everybody picks for manuals. But yeah, he wanted to. As unique as we try to build him, he wanted something that wasn't done by me anywhere else.
He was sick of his 390 or whatever was in here?
Sick of the FE. Wanted to go ahead, turn it up. I thought the beadlock Budniks was a one-off. First set they built.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And
so these right here?
Yeah. So I had a first set they had come up with on that.
And you just did the swap on this, or did you do anything else?
We just did the swap, the suspension, and
anything he has is always clean.
Yeah, very clean, very particular.
What else we got here? Oh yeah, you guys have seen
this. This is the old beast. This is more of a survivor story. This car.
It's a good example, yeah.
We built this. This was one of our lower budget builds we built for a high school kid, and he turns 21 this weekend.
Oh,
so it's made it through 3 trips to Missouri. It's made it to Austin countless times. It's going to Tennessee in 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
He still drives it, loves it. We're building him a frame off truck now, but he's still enjoying this while he can.
I love it. I love how it's just 3 different colors. You get the wheels match. That's really cool.
My first car in high school didn't last that long. Hollywood. What's up, brother?
Oh, we just looked at you.
How you like my LS?
Yeah, you got me on that one, dude. I thought you were doing an LS.
How you like me now? I
like
know
it.
you don't like it. It's
No,
okay.
no, it's okay. Actually, I'd rather it be a Dodge than an LS, to be honest with you. It's different. And you found the right guy to do something different, you know?
I did. Yes, I
good
did.
choice, I think. That's crazy. Well, this is the guy that owns a white truck. This one is yours?
So this one customer brought to us. He had it running fine. Loved it. It was 460. He was happy with it, C6.
Yeah.
But he couldn't drive it and enjoy it. So Crown Vic front, Mustang S550 rear. And
Well, you're good, bro.
and now he enjoys it, drives it, loves it. His wife likes it. They get to run and have a blast in it. So not taking credit for that. It was already painted, already had the motor in it.
But it just shows that you can do a little bit of everything if that's what they need, or if they can afford it, or budget, or if they got the budget. Yeah. Now, this is going to change.
Yeah, this is a farewell tour this year for Blown Cover.
Blown Cover.
It's a little tame for what we like doing now.
Which is funny because it's wild.
So we're going to do something definitely one-off, something definitely eye-catching and memorable. So this one's coming apart, getting finally redone in the off-season.
That's cool. Is this one yours?
Yep, this one.
Man, how many you got?
Yeah, we brought a few. So this is one of my friends, and started out as a customer. We've become real good friends. We visit each other. So this is his 68 Crown Vic front, Mustang rear. It's kind of our bread and butter as far as drivability and enjoyability. If you like to tour them, a touring, pro touring type, that's the suspension to use. This is a Gen 2 Coyote, Boss intake tuned, 6-speed automatic, just great cruiser. He liked it so much he bought one for his wife and daughter.
Oh, okay.
But we did a Gen 3 with a 10-speed in this one.
Ooh, nice.
It was originally a 4-link truck, and we just left it a 4-link truck. And 2 weeks ago, he brought it back to me and said, "Nope, we need the suspension." It completely changes the truck. So we went ahead and put the IRS in it. And so now they can cruise down the road together.
That's cool, and they look, that's awesome.
The wife and the daughter's riding the yellow one, and the boy's riding the red one, and they all go do it as a family, which is, you know me, that's my thing. That's my deal. The whole.
I want to let you go, man. My phone and my GoPro is overheating here. So what's the way they can reach you?
FarmTruckRacingTX at Gmail, or on Instagram, or on Facebook, or on TikTok.
You're everywhere.
Everywhere.
I like it. That's cool.
Or your local truck show.
That's cool. Hey guys, hit that subscribe button, follow, do the same for him. Head over there and give this video a like if you guys like it. And reach out to him. Maybe he'll, if you have any questions, he might be able to answer them. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you.
See ya.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight from my soul.